Hindi po aabot yung pera namin. Medyo disappointed din po sa akin po. Pero it just pushed me more to aim higher.
Ang tawag ko nga doon ay napamasahe sa langit. Kahit luka-luka ako, alam ng Diyos, marami akong ginawang mabuti sa kapwa.
Ikaw ang susi sa iyong tagumpay. May tugunan. Kaya mo. Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon. Bago man going muli.
It all started as a mission to reach the unreached and plant the message of truth and love in every heart and household. This 2024, Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated celebrates 33 years of unwavering commitment to advancing God's kingdom. For over 3 decades, Zoe Broadcasting Network has